Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Series 4, Episode 1. Going to be going to the park here in a little bit. It actually rained today, and it's like 82 degrees out, which is nice for Arizona. Usually it's like 111 Fahrenheit, so if you do the conversion to what is it, Celsius, it's pretty hot. So I'm going to go over briefly to the park what I normally bring in like my backpack. I have an actual camera bag, which I'm recording on right now. And I'm going to be bringing my GoPro to get like behind the scenes, like from the side, what I'm actually doing, because I know a lot of people that could benefit from this. And yeah, so what I usually bring, let's just assume this is my main camera, okay? So GoPro 8, alright, I used to take this like all the festivals. It's got a really nice grip on it, but I'm going to bring 2 tripods too, and kind of maybe 1 or 2. And I'm going to show you how I would set that up normally, or I might just grip it to the tripod. Since I have this, you can really do whatever you want, as long as you can get a nice, as long as you can set your camera up and have the dimensions, like have it completely level with the surface of the ground, you'll be fine. Okay, so we'll get to that. Next, make sure this is a JBL 3 or Charge 2 or 3. I've had this for like 3 years, but it only runs off battery now, because it, like a mobile battery or a portable battery, because it died. So it'll still work just for a little bit, then I gotta plug it in. But I have a much nicer, bigger speaker, but that actually got wet, I don't know, a few months ago. It never rains here, and the day it does rain, it got a little bit wet, and I have to get it repaired. It's like a big Sony GTK XB90. So, but anyways, make sure you have a camera, make sure you have a charged battery. I always bring an extra battery. And then here's a battery for this camera that's recording right now. Make sure you bring a battery pack, or get a good one that's going to last, you know, a good 8 to 12 hours, or, you know, charge-wise. Bring a cord. Don't forget your charge cord. Don't forget your charge cord for the camera, because sometimes you might, you know, you're talking to a pro. I've done this so many times, and, you know, even now and then, or every now and then, I'll still forget something, but I've gotten very good at not forgetting things. And, you know, obviously, yes, if we were home, none of this would matter, but we're going to the park because it's a nice day out. It's very cloudy. I'm looking out the window right now. It's a very nice day. Get some nice daylight footage, get out of the studio for once, show you guys the park where I shuffle at. It is, you know, it's not too humid out. Usually when it rains, it gets a little humid. I'm going to bring a fan just in case, you know, bring a towel. Maybe I definitely get pretty sweaty at the park, so, you know, bringing a towel isn't a bad idea. Sometimes people bring a change of clothes. I don't blame you, you know. Bringing a smaller tripod here, just because. Bring a little snack. Bringing some oranges and some raw cashews and some like granola. So yeah, then just put everything in your backpack, and you know, you're good to go. Most important thing, probably next to the camera and all that, is bring some water. You don't want to go without it. Obviously, you're going to be sweating, so you need to replace that. You need to replenish what you lost. So that's it for this like section 1 here in video 1. We'll move on to the next segment here. So we'll see you at the park.